Here we're asked to write the equation in any form given the vertex and the point. So the vertex and the point tells me if I'm going to have the vertex, I might as well put it in vertex form, which, as a reminder, vertex form, which I will use for both of these, is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So I'm going to basically be plugging some values into that. So I'll start with a here, the first one, by plugging in that vertex. And I get y equals, I don't know what the a value is, x. I get the h value from the vertex, because remember the vertex is just the h value and the k value. So I get x minus 3 squared and plus, not k, plus 5. So when we're looking at this here, what to make sure that you understand is that the h value flips the sign, so it goes from positive 3 to minus 3. K value stays the same. Next, I'm going to plug in the second point that we're given here. So this one, 5, 1. That one gives me an x and a y value to plug in. So my y value of 1, I still don't know what a is. My x value of 5. And now I'm just solving for a. So for this here, I do 5 minus 3, which is 2. And I bring down everything else. Don't forget this is multiplication between a and 2 squared. So then that really becomes 4a, because 2 squared is 4. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides to give me negative 1. Nope, negative 4. Getting ahead of myself here, equals 4a. Divide both sides by 4 to give me a is equal to negative 1. So last thing I got to do is I'm taking this a value here and I am plugging it back in to what I got here in the red. So what that means is that my final answer for this one is going to be y equals negative 1, because that's my a value, x minus 3 squared plus 5. And there's my equation. Same process for the second one. I'm going to plug in the h and the k value from the vertex, y equals, don't know what a is, x plus 6 squared, because it's negative 6, so that's going to switch to positive, and the negative 8 is going to stay negative. Next, I'm plugging in the second point to give me the y value of negative 5, don't know what a is, negative 9 is my x value, squared minus 8. Now I'm just solving for a, so this here becomes negative 3 squared times a. Negative 3 squared is just 9, so I get, I'm just going to switch these around, 9a minus 8. Add 8 to both sides. I know I get a little bit cramped in here. Also, my 9s and a's look exactly the same, so I divide by 9, which gives me a is equal to 3 over 9, which is the same thing as 1/3, if I simplify. So now I'm plugging this back into my red equation for my final answer, which is y equals 1/3 times x plus 6 squared minus 8. And there's my vertex form.